Calibrating your graphics settings in Rocket League can enhance your gaming experience by optimizing performance and visuals. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Launch Rocket League and navigate to the main menu. Click on the Options tab to open a settings menu where you can adjust various game settings. Step 2. Select the video settings. Within the Options menu, find and select the Video tab. This section contains all the graphics settings that you can modify to improve performance and visuals. Step 3. Adjust resolution and display mode. Set your display resolution to match your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. Choose between full screen, windowed, or borderless window mode based on your preference for gameplay. Step 4. Modify graphics quality. In the graphics quality settings, you can adjust the overall quality level. Start with the balance setting and gradually increase or decrease it based on your system's performance during gameplay. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. After making your adjustments, play a few matches to see how the changes affect performance and visuals. If you experience lag or low frame rates, consider lowering some settings until you find the right balance. By following these steps, you can effectively calibrate your graphics settings in Rocket League for an optimal gaming experience. Enjoy your improved gameplay.